What about having leaders of other denominations training Seventh-day Adventists to make effective our church? What has light and darkness got in common? Nothing. What does the spirit of prophecy say about that? She said they may not preach from our pulpits. She goes even further. She says that a minister who eats meat shouldn't preach from the pulpit, let alone one from another denomination. The only time I would be happy to embrace any one of them to preach from our pulpits if he embraces the truth. But I'm not the standard, nor the Talmud. The spirit of prophecy is the standard and the testimony to the church. Don't believe what I say? Look it up in the testimonies. Because what I say is not important. What God says is important.